Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's 6:30 in the morning on it's Tuesday, and I decided that I'm going to do a quick look on what I do for my makeup every day when I go to work. This is right here. Yeah, so I try to keep it, kind of natural, but sometimes I just sit at a makeup desk and my hands get carried away. But yeah, so I'm going to show you what I do. It's a pretty much natural, but still kind of want to glow look. So I've moisturized my face already. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. And I really like to use this to fill in my pores. So I just go like this. Especially under my cheek, like on my cheek, because I've got really big pores right here. So I just smooth that out on my nose. Press it in. Forehead. And that's pretty quick. But then I use the, I switch between the two. I use the DIOR Glow Maximizer Primer or the Laura Mercier one as the second primer. But these ones are luminous. So it gives my skin, a little bit of a glow underneath my foundation. So I just take a little bit on my hand, rub it in. It's so rainy and ugly outside today. Alright. So that's that. And then I go in with my foundation. And I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 in Sand number 7. So just go dot, dot, dot. Like that. And I take my beauty blender and I blend it all in. Try to be like, kind of quick because, it's work and I gotta wake up my daughter and get her ready for school, and that's always a challenge. Like, I could legit wake up, put makeup on, get dressed, do my hair, all this stuff, and my daughter will be like, oh, I'm almost done. I'm almost done brushing my teeth, 45 minutes later. And it's like, seriously? Make sure I blend it all down. Okay. Then what I do is I take my Maybelline Fit Me and I'm gonna just set my, I'm not gonna put any concealer on, but I'm going to take a little bit of my cap like that. I'm gonna dip my beauty blender in and set the under eyes. Then what I do is I use the Gimme Brow Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Foundation on my hand. This is in the color shade 5, so it's like, I think it's the darkest or second darkest because I've got pretty dark eyebrows. So then I just comb it through my brows just to kind of fill them in a little and give them some, oomph. If I'm doing like, full glam or, you know, full beat, then I'll fill them in with pencil also with the brow wiz. But for work, I just a quick little fill in. So then I use my brush. I brush this off, like the excess powder. But then I use the same powder and I set the rest of my face, but it's like a quick thing. I know it's weird, but I'm just trying to, you know, morning. Oh, I forgot to do my... Alright, so close this back up. I get my Fenty matchstick in Mocha. And I use this Sonia Kashuk brush. I really like how it looks. And I just go like this. And I just do my nose a tiny bit. Just to give a little bit of definition. I always do under my lip because my lips are pretty small and I like to make them look a little juicier. So yeah, under my lip. So I'm gonna take the not this one, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in Deep Bronzer. And I use a big fluffy brush just to bronze up my face. So basically what I do is I like to do from here and down because I have a pretty small forehead, so I don't have to do around here, but I do want to make my face a little more narrow. Right. Then I go over my brows again one more time, just for a little more volume or like, you know, darkness. So now for highlight, what highlight do I want to do? I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and AMREZY collab. That's what it looks like. It's super shiny. And I'm using a Morphe M510 brush. I like the size of this to do my highlight. Oh my god, yes. You know that feeling? So I've got like, oh my god. I die. Every time I put it on, I die. I put it under my brow, on top of my brow. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. Down my nose. And keep it tall. Alright. So then what I like to do is just, I don't put any more product, but I just blend it all together. Like that. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Oh, it's upside down. Bad Gal Bang. So I do about 2 or 3 coats of this. Can we talk about this highlight though? Can we talk about it? I'm gonna use this Pretty Vulgar in the color Hush Blush I got in my BoxyCharm a couple months ago. Why can't I open it? Just take a dab. Smile. Apple of the cheeks and back. This is the lip gloss that I use on a daily. This is, can you see, Dior Addict Ultra Gloss in 785 is the color. It's a pretty mauve neutral and it's got a little bit of glitter in it. I have one from Guerlain also, which is very similar, but the glitter is a little more silver. So yeah, I just so that's it. Like, it's a pretty natural looking, mind you, there's layers, but you know, it's like no makeup, right? I'm gonna take my hair down, and I use some of this Batiste dry shampoo, but it's like volumizing, and do a quick like. Get that volume, girl. Get it, girl. And that's it. And this is my look for work. So, thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll have more videos up soon. Bye, guys. Have a good day at work. I'll try, even though it's boring. Bye. Peace. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Oh, and follow me on Instagram. It'll be linked down below. Bye.